Let's solve the quadratic equation x squared plus x minus 12 equals 0. We can solve this either by factoring or using the quadratic formula. Let's try both methods to see how they work. Let's start with factoring. When factoring, we look for two numbers that multiply to give us the constant term negative 12, and add to give us the coefficient of x, which is 1. These numbers are 4 and negative 3, since 4 times negative 3 equals negative 12, and 4 plus negative 3 equals 1. Therefore, we can factor our equation into x plus 4 times x minus 3 equals 0. Using the zero product property, if the product of factors equals 0, then one of the factors must equal 0. This means that either x plus 4 equals 0 or x minus 3 equals 0. Solving these equations, x equals negative 4 or x equals 3. These are our solutions. Now, let's verify our answer using the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula states that for a quadratic equation in the form x squared plus bx plus c equals 0, x equals negative b plus, or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all over 2a. In our equation, equals 1, b equals 1, and c equals negative 12. Let's substitute these values into the formula. Let's solve this step by step. First, simplify under the square root. 1 minus 4 times 1 times negative 12 equals 1 plus 48 equals 49. Now our equation is x equals negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 49 over 2. The square root of 49 is 7, so we have x equals negative 1 plus or minus 7 over 2. Let's visualize these solutions on a graph. Here's the parabola representing our quadratic equation. The x-intercepts at x equals negative 4 and x equals 3 are the zeros of our equation, which are the solutions we found using both methods. In conclusion, we solved x squared plus x minus 12 equals 0 using both factoring and the quadratic formula. Both methods gave us the same solutions, x equals negative 4 and x equals 3. The graph confirms these are the x-intercepts of our parabola.